Candidate focus. We make decisions with the candidate's interests as an important concern, in the process taking care of our other stakeholders.
I start my shift by searching for suitable candidates via different job boards like LinkedIn, JobStreet, and Caliber. As a recruiter, I always value my candidates' time, so I make sure I prepare everything from understanding their interests to jotting down relevant interview questions based on their resumes. Building rapport with my candidates is important so I can be the best recruiter they have ever spoken to. It also creates a good first impression, not just for me, but for PSG as well. I always guide and prepare my candidates every step of the recruitment process. I keep them warm by constantly communicating and sharing honest feedback with them about their status. This way, I create a positive candidate experience regardless of the outcome of their application. As a result, PSG candidates experience a smoother, quicker, and more efficient recruitment process as compared to their previous job applications with other companies. Our new recruiters are encouraged to use their experience with us and pay forward to their future candidates.
One of the stages in hiring a candidate for a specific role is referencing. To make sure that the candidate really is a fit for the position, the main challenge in getting a professional reference is getting a hold of the applicant's previous manager or supervisor. An application placed on hold because of the lack of contacted character reference is a major challenge in recruiting. To speed up the process of my candidate's deployment by getting out of the box, I call the company where the candidate used to work and ask for the best time to connect with the previous manager. With this approach, most of my candidates are on board and hired in a timely manner. In credentialing, I always ensure a smooth sailing process by always walking them through on every form that needs to be filled out, licenses that need to be submitted, documents that need to be signed. Not only was I able to meet the deadline filling the job, it also creates a positive experience for the candidates because they start without facing any major challenges.
As a recruiter, it is my job to make sure that my candidates get a job that matches their preferences, interests, and passion. There was an instance where I spoke with a candidate for the customer service position. The candidate was concerned about the job location, which is quite far from where he lives. Going beyond what is expected, I submitted his profile to the same role but in a different branch. As a result, the candidate was happy as not only that the job is near his house and bus route, he also got to save money.
Communication is a huge factor in winning this battle against COVID-19. Police force and medical teams are on the advantage when communication between them and the people is systematic. With the help of BPOs that cater to non-emergency contact numbers like 311, standing up to the pandemic became easier. I was tasked to hire customer service agents who answered directory inquiries and complaints specific to COVID. I informed them about their background check results, scheduled them for job offers, and lined them up for training. Since the job openings are recurring and some have similar qualifications, we use our pipelines until we find the roles that match their preferences. By helping find people who can assist in these trying times, our team was able to assist and contribute in nation building.
Employee development. We focus on skill and behavior development for our employees, leading to compensation growth and broader career progression. The RTM program started in 2012 with the goal of developing more leaders from within. Now, we are on our 19th cycle with no signs of stopping despite the pandemic. Today, 59% of our frontline leaders are from the RTM program. That's 41 out of 70, with 9 more graduates that are being groomed to be future leaders. Despite the high promotion rate after graduation, the fallout rate during the program was a challenge since 2018. Graduation rate was as low as 34%, and enrollees end up leaving the program since balancing leadership and frontline responsibilities were overwhelming. In response, the program was enhanced to have the enrollees solely focus on their leadership learning and application during the program. In 2019, we found out that it takes 18.2 months for a frontline to get promoted to an RTM role. In response, the fast-track promotion process for the RTMP graduates was launched in the Q1 2020 QCR. This aims to enhance the promotion review process of graduates by giving them the opportunity to be reviewed for a skip promotion. Now, if a Level 1 graduate completes the program, they can be reviewed and considered for an RTM role in just 1 year. RMST, an organized onboarding and training program, was launched for newly hired STMs to ensure their success in operations. SCM Bootcamp Vitality. This was relaunched in 2019 to further enhance the skills of our leaders. We continue to conduct Vitality training today despite being on quarantine. Assessments. This started out back in Q3 2019 and continues today with the objective of improving the quality of performance management and competencies of our leaders.
With my hunger for success and my desire to learn more, I asked my team leader on how they were able to navigate reports through Excel. It would be a great help for the team if I can learn how to compute our daily and weekly referencing goals through it. Though I have no plans on enrolling for the PSG's leadership program or RTM, I would be willing to improve my skill set as a recruiter. After I was taught on how to use Excel for data processing, I immediately applied the things I learned and created my own monthly tracker that automatically computes the amount of referencing I need to hit a 3.0 scorecard. I stepped up and shared this with the entire team, and they realized how easy and convenient it was to use. Because of my initiative to do more, the tool is now being utilized during our board sessions.